We hear every day about the new construction of seniors living facilities and dementia-safe villages to address the growing demographic of Alzheimer's diagnosis. Our question is, why are we not using the current resources? Why are we not doing better to empower seniors to age in place, in the same communities where the local pharmacist knows their name? In the neighborhood where a lifetime of memories have been made. This can be accomplished with SafeTracks Aging in Place initiative. In just over a decade, the number of seniors living in a retirement home, supportive living, or long-term care will grow to over 610,000. If current patterns hold, by 2026, Canada will need an additional 131,000 spaces for seniors, growing to an additional 240,000 spaces by 2046. These new beds will cost an estimated $64 billion to build and roughly $130 billion to operate. There are more than 500,000 people in Canada living with Alzheimer's. 6 of 10 of those with the disease will wander, and if not found within 24 hours, may face serious injury or worse, die. This equates to a staggering 300,000 people at risk of becoming lost or missing. In today's world where families work full-time in their respective careers, and some are scattered right across the country, we require a solution so that those living with Alzheimer's remain secure and independent while safely aging in place. SafeTracks envisions communities outfitted with technology, virtually creating a safe community environment without the cost of building and maintaining additional facilities. Our solution uses the resources we have, our parks, our grocery stores, our coffee shops, community centers, and banks. SafeTracks has listened to our customer and is developing a prototype to better address the needs of seniors at risk of wandering, including placing a magnetic charger on the side so that the wearer will never need to remove the device, making charging easier for both the user and the caregiver. Full waterproofing and lockable clasp also ensure that the person does not have to remove the device while going about their daily activity.
My husband was diagnosed with Alzheimer's 8 years ago and was passionate about walking and being outdoors. About 3 years ago, I found that he was becoming confused about where he was and returning home. Trilock was recommended as the university was doing a study on using GPS to track individuals on the computer. It was an absolute lifesaver for me. He would leave the house and I could tell exactly where he was. In a couple of instances, he had wandered off the path and I was able to drive to his location to help him out. Highly recommended.
Not only are SafeTracks solutions completely independent of landlines, cell phones, and modems, they offer a seamless indoor-outdoor GPS transition, as well as true fall detection, all being monitored by family or the contact center.
Hello, this is Jason from SafeTracks Monitoring Center. We have received an alert from Henry's Trilock. Henry has left his home. I will monitor his position until...
The SafeTracks Aging in Place initiative has the potential to be adopted coast to coast, regardless of the size of the community and at very little cost. So how do we create these communities that empower those living with Alzheimer's to safely age in place? Step 1. Let's partner with seniors, caregivers, community groups to identify the frequently visited areas within the senior's life space, including parks, activity centers, malls, and banks. Step 2. Install our patent blue beacons to the identified locations, providing monitoring inside the buildings and also creating geo-safe zones and outdoor spaces. Step 3. Identify those interested in aging in place and distribute the Trilock completed prototype watches. Step 4. Commercialize and mobilize the SafeTracks Aging in Place initiative to communities across Canada. Our team works hard to be an industry leader in personal emergency monitoring. Joanne has been with SafeTracks since the beginning. Her product knowledge and customer experience is bar none. Michael is our tech support guru. At this point, he can navigate our technology blindfolded. Aaron is the mastermind behind SafeTracks Advanced Technology. His experience in electrical engineering has pushed us to the next level. Lorinda is responsible for in-house marketing and loves speaking to customers and industry partners about our innovative solution. And finally, Vince is the owner. He ensures the team stays on track. Vince's vision has propelled SafeTracks into becoming a trusted name throughout the industry. We are an award-winning company receiving the Aztec Societal Impact Award presented to an individual or team who has led or significantly contributed to a technological innovation that resulted in a positive impact on society. SafeTracks Aging in Place initiative wants to be part of seniors' lives. We want to continue being a layer of security seniors, their caregivers, and families rely on. The best part about our project is we have the tools to make it a reality. Today we can make a difference. Today we can empower those living with Alzheimer's with their independence. SafeTracks Aging in Place initiative.